Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today we're going to try and fix this boiler which has an F1 fault code on it. So if you have a look closely, you can see here it says F1. So I went away on holiday and now I've come back and it's got this on it, and I think I know what the problem is. So this particular boiler is a glowworm and it is a Flexicom 18hx. It has been completely reliable. What's happened is I've went away on holiday and I turned off the main gas tap because just in case there was going to be an explosion or whatever when I was away, I thought it'd be best to do that. What I didn't do was I didn't turn off the boiler, so it's been calling for hot water, and obviously over the couple of weeks the water in the tanks got cold and then it's probably tried to fire so many times and then given up. Now I've looked up what F1 means on the internet and apparently it's an ignition fault. So I'm hoping all I need to do is press in this little reset button just in here, and I'm hoping that's going to fix it. So I thought I'd do a quick video just in case other people are having the same problem, because maybe on your one this little sticker here might be missing. So it says there, to reset the appliance, press the recess button below the display. So let's try to do that and let's see what happens. I've never done this before, so let's press it in. Okay, and now let's see what happens. Excellent. Right, so I'm just going to fast forward through this. I presume now it's going to start. There you go, it's calling for it. I can hear it now, whirring up. And it should fire, I'm hoping. I can hear the fan. There we go, excellent. Brilliant. I was a bit worried there because I didn't want to have this kind of hassle coming straight back from holiday. So a very quick video, but if it's ever happened to you, then try doing this, because I know now from now on when I go away, so obviously makes sense to turn off the boiler if you're turning off the gas going into the boiler. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you might have an easy fix just like me. If you liked it and if it helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care. Bye now.